Hey YouTube family, so I'm back with another video. If you are a returning subscriber, whoa, I messed up already. Take two, boom. Yeah. Hey YouTube family, so I'm back with another video. If you're a returning subscriber, what's poppin'? Or if you're a new person on my channel and you're just seeing my face for the first time, pause right there, hit the subscribe button down below because you don't want to miss out on any future videos from me. Now for this video, I want to do some Bantu knots. So I'm going to use my fabulous CarrieCarina so I can have a super cute Bantu knot out style for today. And I wanted to show you guys my process. To start off, y'all know I like to put my hair in 4 sections to detangle. It just makes my life so much easier since I have a lot of thick hair. I like to do my Bantu knots on stretched hair, so I'm using my CarrieCarina on this extremely old hairstyle to detangle and give it some life. After detangling, I put the section in a twist so I can get it out of the way. I start my Bantu knots in the back of my head, working my way up to the front. Alright y'all, now to the good stuff. To start the Bantu knot, twist the section of hair in whatever direction you choose. I'm twisting this one away from my face. After twisting about halfway, at the base of the section, begin twisting the twist in the same direction you were twisting before. I was twisting away from my face, so near the base of the section, I'm going to continue to twist away from my face until I get one full knot. After I get one full knot, I continue to twist the section until I feel like it can go around the knot again another full time. Make sure that when you're twisting it at the base to make a new knot, that you put it underneath the previous knot. I continue these steps until I have no more hair left. Because of my hair texture and density, my knots stay secure in place. However, if yours are not, you might need to use a rubber band or bobby pins. Or just make sure you're doing the technique correctly. To go over it one more time, detangle the section with the CarrieCarina and Tangle Teaser, then add your product of choice. Twist the section in whatever direction you choose until about halfway. At the base, begin twisting the twist in the same direction until you get one full knot. Twist the twist some more until it can make another full round knot. Make sure you're putting each knot underneath the previous one. And continue these steps until you're out of hair at the end. Don't worry about making your twists too tight, because as you'll notice while doing them, the knot will get tighter with each go around. And we don't need no edges snatched, girl, okay? I'm not gonna lie though, I didn't completely like how they turned out this time because my ends definitely could have used some attention and some TLC. But I'm still gonna post this because the video is mostly about the Bantu knot technique. I hope I was able to break it down clear enough for you all. Let me know if you have any further questions. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!